Today we're here with Luvme Hair, one of the faves. So let's get into today's wig. Alright, it's the same packaging as usual, and I'm seeing the wig, which I'm gonna get into. Then I got a paddle brush. This is really cute, and it's branded Luvme Hair. This is really cute. I also got this like non-slip grip for your wig. You apply this usually before you apply your wig. So yep, got that. Got my sticker, like label tags. Great for storage. I got a pair of wig caps, and I got a Luvme drawstring bag. Again, perfect for storage. They always send one of those, so I love that. And then I got this Luvme User's Guide. All right, it says switching it up is everything. It really is. So inside here just has how to care for your wig, other information as well, you know, their social media platforms, everything is listed, and that's everything in the package, of course. So let's go ahead and get into this wig for today. So today's wig that we're working with, guys, is one of Luvme's new wigs, and it has sold over 100,000 units in 2 months. What? 100,000 units? Oh my gosh. And a lot of the customers are actually loving it, so that is very nice to hear. They assure me that this that I'm showing you guys today is exactly what the customers that purchased received as well. Okay, so today we're looking at this 7x6 closure loose body wave wig. All right, and I'm excited to get into it. It is glueless as well. This does come pre-plucked, and you know, a 7x6 has a lot of space to work with. It's almost like a lace front, because a lot of the lace fronts are constructed like this, where in the middle has the depth and on the side has less, and that's kind of how it looks. But it is a 7x6 closure wig, so, and it's glueless. As I said, it comes pre-plucked, which, you know, that is one thing that Luvme here always do, like make sure that the wigs are nicely pre-customized. It's pre-bleached at the lace. Yes, and I'm gonna do a really nice and quick glueless install for you guys today. That's what we're gonna get into, and these are the curls that the wig came with. This is really nice. I'm gonna be sure to put the specifications of the wig in my description box, so please feel free to go ahead and check out down below, as well as to find the direct link if you're interested in getting this for yourself. So now that I got through that, let me go ahead. Oh, by the way, let me show you the inside of the cap. I totally forgot. So there is a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the middle. That's really nice. And also this adjustable elastic band to ensure, you know, maximum security of the wig on your head. So yeah, that's how that is. And adjustable straps are also in the back. I like to go in and crisscross this, and I'm going to remove that piece of extra lace in the back. So that's how that is. I know this is gonna be really nice and stable on my head, and I'm excited. So first of all, that's very snugged. I absolutely love that. It came with a side part, as you can see, but I'm gonna go in and actually, you know, show you that you could part it other places as much as you like and style it differently if you please. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the extra lace in the front as usual before I proceed to doing anything else.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
The wig is very full, by the way, might I add. So I definitely want to tweak how, you know, it's styled currently. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you that you could part it within the closure. You could get like a nice deep side part. You see that? That looks good. Looks like scalp. Then that's how that looks like. It's very nice and realistic looking. Yeah, love that. You could, you know, play with your parting. You could do it in like a zigzag vibe. You could get a more like curvier part if you wish, which that's kind of like what I want to do. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of shift my side part. I wanted it to be a little curvier and a little deeper. And to lay it, I'm gonna get my wax stick and my hot comb to lay it so it's nice and flat.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never.
So this is how we're looking. I'm looking pretty good. I absolutely love that. No baby hairs or anything. It is a really laid, really laid. So all I want to do is kind of make the parting a little bit more visible. So I'm gonna get my powder and work on that. And I'm also going to fix the curls a little bit, but they really don't even need that much fixing because I feel like the wig already came so nicely curled. Like, it actually looks so good and it's really nice and full. So I am getting shedding. It is minimal shedding. Or I'm not sure you guys can see, but I am getting shedding. Alright, but it is nice and full. I love the body of the wig, and it is so nice and laid despite that it is glueless. So that is a definite go. Let me go ahead and get my powder. Like, what am I even recurling? It looks so good already. I'm still gonna go in though a little bit because I'm extra, but like, look at that. It's just, it falls beautifully. Everything looks really good. Like, you see with your eyes. Like, Luvme did that.
Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score.
I think this is it. You see, everything looks more laid and really, you know, realistic. Yeah, this is a completely glueless 7x6 closure wig. I showed you guys the versatility with the parting space. Like, it is completely glueless. Okay, completely. And the wig already came curled perfectly. It's just me being extra while I went in to, you know, recurl portions of it. But look at that. the bones, the movement, the luster, everything comes off so realistic. So I absolutely love that. I'm just doing this like flip over vibe, which is so classy to me. Like, what? Yeah, this is very realistic. The only thing is, I wish the graduation in the front was a little deeper with the plucking, the pre-plucked area, but you know, it's still easy to just go ahead, slip on and rock and look realistic. If you want to go in and pluck it any further, you can do so, but it comes ready to wear, literally ready to wear. You just pick it up out the packaging, you shift it on your head accordingly, and you go ahead and rock it. All you need to do is cut off the extra lace in the front and the back like I did. Just follow this video basically, you know, very straightforward, very to the point. Luvme here always simplifies their wigs, and I love that because it's like luxury and convenience in one. So Luvme here, I think they did a great job with today's wig look. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out, as well as all the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Every time you hold me, take me high.